Hello friends, welcome again at way2testing.com, and my name is Chandan, and yesterday we have discussed about uh, how to mm, how to work with the Selenium, how to take what are the weights and how to open the browser, and also the difference between driver.get and driver.navigate. I have discussed these all things in my previous tutorial. If you have not seen, please go through it. Today we will cover how to access the elements in way of web element in scenario Selenium. So here are the some scenarios that we are need to cover today. So the scenarios are like that. In the real life, working with some project, you will get very similar scenario like that, but this scenario will be inside some framework. So I will let you know these all frameworks in my next tutorial. So today we are gonna to learn a very simple thing, how to open the browser and how to access the basic elements of Selenium. So these all things also available on my website, as I have told you earlier that you need to go the Selenium tutorial page, which is here. You will get all the things. So I have designed a HTML page where you can do the practice for your learning purpose. You can inspect the element. All types of the elements are present here, like text, link, elements inside a table, input boxes, button, and prompt, and lot of the things are present here. You can do the practice for it. Okay, so we will cover very simple scenario today. The scenarios are like that. We will open the browser, we will navigate to some URL, we will perform some input in some text box, and we will select some radio button. After that we will select some value from drop box or list box. How we will do in Selenium? So let's move on Eclipse. Yeah, this is our yesterday program. So let all the things remain as it is. Let me create a Firefox browser object. So driver is equal to new Firefox driver. This will open a instance of my Firefox browser, and after that I want to hit the URL driver.navigate to. I generally use navigate because it is a good habit, good practice also you can say. I want to navigate on this URL, which is my Selenium practice page, where you can do a lot of operations. After that I want to have some wait, so that page should get loaded because internet may be little bit slow. Driver.manage dot timeout dot implicitly wait. I have told you about the wait in my previous tutorial. If you have not seen, please have a look on it. Time unit dot seconds. Then I will maximize my browser, so that driver dot manage dot windows some issue driver dot manage dot windows dot maximize. Yep, it will maximize your current window. After that I will, what was our scenario, to do some input in the input box. So first of all I will create a web element. I can also do these all things in one line, but for beginners something like that. I will give it first name. You can give any name. First name is equal to driver dot find element by dot. You have lot of the step to get some element by ID, by class name, by CSS selector, by link text, by name, by parcel text, by tag name, by XPath. But in most of the case you will see that you will use the XPath because they have some specific issue that when while working with the ID, it will sometimes will not work in the real time scenario. Sometimes class name will not work. So in general we use the ID and XPath. So currently I will use XPath. For practice purpose you can use anything, and I will let you know how to inspect the element. So these are the XPath. Now I have to find the XPath of my web element, which is here. So that I will First of all, I will go to here. I will right click and inspect the element with Firebug. So if I will inspect that element, so you can say that I have a lot of things here. If I will right click on that, I will get my X path, I will get my CSS path, and also I will get my fire path from here. So we will get these all things in console, oh sorry, in HTML of the web page. So first of all, I will use the X path. So I will copy my X path. I will go to here and I will paste my X path, and I will close my braces. That's what is showing the error. Yeah. Now what I would like to do, I would like to tell you why we have taken the example of the first name or input box, because it is a good practice when you are working with the input box. Then first, before entering some value in it, first make it clear, and after that you are required to input some value. So input some value, you need the send keys. Where is it? I think that it is here. Whatever value you will pass here, it will get entered in the text box. So this is Chandan Singh, I want to enter in my text box. So first of all, I will run this code whether I am working properly, this is working or not, there is some issue. After that we will move on. So what it will do, it will open my Firefox browser, it will hit this URL, it will have some wait for 3 seconds, and after that it will maximize my window, it will get the first name, it will make it clear, and after that it will enter some value. Let me run this program. Let's see what is happening. So you can say in the console it is running. My net is little bit slow, so can take some time. Here I have opened the browser. Now we are navigating to the practice page. Yeah. If your net is good, then it will work smoothly. Now it should maximize my browser. Yeah, it have done. Now it will find. You can see here. It have entered the values in the text box after clearing it. And if you see that my text pass, I will go to here. I will check this out. Yeah, text pass. Also, one thing good practice is that you have to make your driver dot quit, so that I will explain you these all things about quit or close, these all things in the last of the program. I will take another session for that, and in this session I will access more different elements, and this is a very basic example. You can do a lot of practice on my this web page, and where all kind of the elements are available, like the prompt box and text link and how to access the table element. The page I have designed from the real scenario that that I have found while working with the Selenium, that how to access, what are the things we must know how to access these all things. Now for the radio button, what we will need to do, one thing is it difficult to access the Dropbox, and everything is very easy. So for radio button, you just need to click on that, uh, and you have to inspect that element. And in the next tutorial, I will let you know how to create your own XPath. So here is it. You can get a lot of things like fire path. If I will access here fire path, I will get the fire path of it, and sorry, fire path of it. Yeah, it is the fire path of this, and also you can get a lot of steps here. Your class name or something we can get from here, and CSS detail here. So first of all, what I will do, I want to click this female radio button. I will go my old way, Firebug, and after that I will click on the X path. And what I need to do, I need to say my driver dot find element, oh sorry, by dot xpath this and dot click. Now third scenario was that we have to select the drop box. So it is little bit difficult. That's why I have covered it in this scenario. How to select the value from the list box, or drop box, which is here, like that. So to cover these all things, you need to do something like that. You have to import the package select. Okay. So what I need to do, I have to write it here like select, then object name, like I am giving obj is equal to new select, and inside that you have to give the name of path of your driver dot find element, actual element which were there by dot xpath. There is an error, you have to import the package. Yep, or the open QA, okay. And yep, we have to go to there and I have to find this one, and I have to inspect with the Firefox, and then I have to copy the XPath. I have to put it here. Now I have selected that value. Now what I need to do, I have to select the value inside it. I have clicked on the drop box. Now I can select the value by different ways, like obj dot deselect, select by index, select by, let me open this, select by visible text, select by index, select by string value. So these are methods we have. So the best method is to use select by index. So by index method you will get, suppose that by index I am using second element, so second element will get selected. So let me run this program. You will see the result in the real time. Okay, basic run. It will open the browser. It is opening. Yeah. Now it will hit the URL. It will wait, and after that it will maximize the window. You can see that Wednesday have been selected and we quit the browser. So you have seen the result that we have selected the value. If I will remove this, then the result will be stable there. Let me remove that one. Now if I will run this, you will see that the browser will not get closed and operation will be performed there. So see the result. Okay, the script is working. You can see that the input box first name has the name Chandan. We have selected the female radio button, and in that drop down we have selected the Wednesday instead of Monday because we have passed the index 2. So it will have to start from 0. So if you will see your result, it has been passed. So in the next tutorial we will discuss much more about the Selenium, and after soon we will start some frameworks like keyword driven framework, data driven framework, habit driven framework. We will cover these all things in very easy way. so that you can design your own framework. And one most important thing I will let you know about the page object model in my next coming tutorial. So have a good day. Thanks for watching.